Hey everyone, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 40 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. And people ask a lot of questions, and we read a lot of questions. And we take the funny, the weird, and the straight lies and post them here so you get some good information. On today's episode, we're talking about 0% alcohol beer, potato chips in the delis, ice in the room twice a day, an arcade package, and seat assignments in the MDR. All right, question one. Can you bring 0% alcohol beer on board instead of soda? That's a great question. It's essentially soda that tastes like beer. John said, I'm afraid not. It is only soda, but they do sell zero proof beer on board. That said, there's quite a few zero proofs. I enjoy quite a few of them, actually. None of them are sold on the boats. So the last time they had Coors Edge, and they did have the Sam Adams one, which is pretty good, but there's no selection. So I wish you would be able to do it. I would bring it on all day long. I love some of them. They taste great, less filling. Oh wait, that's Miller Lite. But they have less calories. This person said, what would it take to get the potato chips, or as the Brits call it, crisps, back at the deli? They thought they were totally gone, but they ordered room service and they had potato chips on there. I was curious as myself because you don't get them anymore, but we did get them on the room service. Anyway, John said they now actually have crispy fries, which is why they don't have crisps, as he so accurately called them. Brits call them crisps instead of potato chips. So fish and chips would be fish and crisps? Nope, chips are French fries. Aha, gotcha. This person wants to know if they can get ice brought to their room 2 times a day, and can they bring ziploc bags? They recently had surgery and they need to ice it, and Lord knows when you're on the cruises, you walk a lot. So they need to constantly ice it, hence the ziploc bags. Quick answer on the ziplocs, yep. Anything we bring on a cruise in the liquid is in ziploc because you've opened up your luggage and went, well, my underwear smell like toothpaste. Put them in a ziploc bag. But he said, yes, of course. All you got to do is ask your room steward. He said steward here. Last one he said attendant. Who the hell knows what they're called? Those great people that take care of your room on the cruise. Ask them. They will happily do it. It's one of the first things we do when we walk on is when we find our room steward, we will absolutely ask them to bring ice daily. Throw them a 20. You got ice daily. So, yeah, absolutely. Twice a day. Not a problem. If you like cruising content, John Heald, Yakety-Yak, other stuff like that, we appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, this question and this one, I might spend a minute on, but it's freaking funny. They're wondering why they don't offer an arcade package, like a Cheers package, because they have kids, and they're like, the arcade costs them more than the damn casino does. And they're right. John said, well, they used to do it many, many years ago. He's not sure why the casino stopped offering this package. This is the record, Skip. The casino stopped offering the package? Because the casino owns the arcade. Duh! I never thought of that. We would always go in there and like, wow, this is like a casino for kids. They got pretty much the same claw machines, the little money machines, and everything comes out and gives tickets, kind of like we get cash, you know. So, yeah, I did not know this. The casino owns the arcade. Huh. What do you think of that one? Somebody leave a comment below, because I was like, what? Makes sense, but never thought of it. Anywho, this person asked when they're assigned seats in the dining room in the MDR, how is it assigned? They're just curious, but they wanted to say that every time they've been in the MDR, they've always met some great people, and a lot of them are still friends with them even years later. So they were just curious, how do you do that? And John says it's pretty much potluck. It's random. There's no rhyme or reason to it, but he agrees. If somebody's brave enough to sit with people they've never met, you're likely to make friends. And I totally agree. Totally agree. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please take care.